Chef here, and here to talk to you today about diet. This is the keto diet or ketogenic diet. So there's a lot of hype out there, eat this, eat that, people stuffing their faces with sausage and bacon and all this ridiculous stuff. So first of all, I want to try to clear it up for you. Eat a lot of fruit. So these bananas are obviously ripe. Yeah, good stuff. This apple is beautiful. That's a Honeycrisp. Oh yeah, smells great. These bananas aren't quite ripe. That's fine. Give them a couple days. Butternut squash, good for you. Lots of veggies. Go strong on the veggies here, okay? Spinach, yeah. Oh, Brussels sprouts. I like Brussels sprouts. Fresh vegetables are the best. Spaghetti squash, a couple of big ones, yeah. If you haven't watched our videos on spaghetti squash, get cracking. Subscribe and check out the videos. There's a ton of them there. Seafood, yeah, this is fresh tuna. Fresh tuna's fine, fresh frozen, okay? Canned tuna's good too, no problem. Fresh frozen shrimp is good too. Buy the raw, don't buy the pre-cooked stuff. It's tasteless. Rubber bands. Get the raw shrimp, okay? So anyway, that's a few things on your keto diet that are gonna be good for you and healthy for you. And these are words of wisdom. I'm not gaining anything by sharing this with you. I just want you to see what you should be eating and to live healthy and stay in shape. Of course, you got to work the gym into that too, and get some good knives. If you don't have good knives, I mean, yeah, you need something like this. Yeah, okay, you can get them right there at the sponsor. That's all that's in it for us, trying to help you eat healthier, live longer, and cook like a chef. Vegetarian, this is actually a side dish. So you see this spinach in the store and you're wondering what to do with it. Well, you buy it and you rinse it off and you let it air dry, and then you peel off as many of these little stems as you can. Get a whole bunch of the stems off. You can try to get them all off if you want to. Believe it or not, these little stems taste exactly like the rest of the spinach. So, and that's it. Oh, the finished spinach right here. Spinach and tomatoes. Side dish. Thanks for watching. Support your sponsor. Have a great day and keep cooking. Have a great day.